Huh.
Challenge you.
Huh. What should we do? Some wait. Oh, I'm gonna load soon. Yo. What are you saying earlier? What are you saying earlier? Did you say something? Huh?
Welcome to Battle Royale. The match is about to start. Time for the mission. Get ready.
Should I should I make my my own settings? Yeah. What is bro talking about? Yo. My mic is probably the one that's bugging.
Enemy at range.
Yo.
Enemies been here.
Yo. Bro.
I said to talk.
Oh, huh?
I said I won't talk as much because gabi na.
Oh. Okay. I'm making my own thing. My own settings. Am I dead? Oh, I'm alive. Yo, where's I? There. Let's try. Okay. Not bad. Where's the reload button? It's still in the same way. Bruh. Wait.
First blood.
EY. And the lag.
Cluster strike incoming. Target locked.
Hey, let me try my
The safe zone is collapsing.
I'm lagging.
Enemy eliminated.
You stole my kill.
I'm lagging. Just to let you know, I'm lagging.
Cluster strike incoming. Target locked.
So that's how this works.
The airdrop is coming.
Also, the map is better. Wait. If I don't see the map, I'm not that comfortable.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Where's the map? Where did I put the map?
On here.
Huh. Yo, what the?
No.
Yo, where did I put the map?
Fire sale will start in 1 minute.
What the?
No.
Where did I put my maps? Bro. Where is what? Huh? Huh? Oh yeah, over there it's on that. Please don't die. I don't want to die first, so let me kill these bots first before doing something.
Cluster strike incoming. Target locked. The airdrop is coming. Heads up, soldier. It's time for a fire sale. Airdrop has been delivered. Cluster strike incoming. Target locked. Engaging enemies.
Player man.
Kuha ka chopper. Bro, yun nga.
I'm fighting someone, so yeah. I don't even know what I'm doing. Yo, help! My map is gone, so I don't know where I'm going.
Nah.
It's real. I did not know where did I put that map,
Fire sale will start in 1 minute.
so I can't fix it. I can't. I'm dying. I'm dying on the blue. I zoned.
The airdrop is coming.
Follow this.
There might be some good supplies this way.
Oh, okay. Thanks for that. Yo, can you mark the nearest buy station on me? Thanks. 300 meters away.
Airdrop has been delivered.
No, fix it later. Oh, fuck. Ay, it's you.
The enemy. Enemy down. Enemy eliminated.
You know, perfect shot. Nice.
Baba mo yung B-word. Kaya ito. Ulit tayo. Ako to.
Wait. Oh.
Tara. Bro.
Enemy.
The airdrop is coming. Engaging the enemy.
Wait, level 3 backpack. Nice. My Wi-Fi sucks. Damn, that hurts. Walang barrel.
Airdrop has been delivered. The safe zone is collapsing.
Walang barrel.
Skill chip ready for upgrade.
Where are you? Oh, there. Okay, I see. Now, does this work a lot farther than
Cluster strike incoming. Target locked.
70? Oh,
Ang long shot dito mo.
The airdrop is coming.
yo. I need I need gun AK-11.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Ako na dito. Long shot.
Fire sale will start in 1 minute.
Yo, why did you leave me, man? Bro left. Why did bro left? Why? Bro,
Airdrop is
you
coming.
left me. Oh, may kalaban? Okay, let's go. May kalaban ba?
Yan mo na, bibigyan kita bro.
Anong shotgun?
Mo.
Oh, fuck.
Soldier, it's time for
Run, fast. I've got my gun.
airdrop there.
No.
Ay, dyan. Ito, tayo lang.
Paldo!
Tag-isa sabi. Tag-isa.
Anong tagis ah? Ay, sorry. Ano nakuha mo?
Okay.
Uy, kinetic.
Wala, nakuha ko na lang.
We need the kinetic, man. Wait. I'ma just get extra kinetic. Oh, okay. I've got all the kinetic in the world, in the game, in the world. I have like 5 kinetics. I won't even use them.
Ito.
Son, where? Whoa, what? Yo, what? How do you get all the money? The money! Why did you get all the
The
money?
safe zone is collapsing. The airdrop is coming.
And you're still getting those many? What will I buy here? I'm broke. Uy, long barrel, pakuha. Pakuha.
Friendly care package inbound.
Pakuha
Airdrop has
ng
been delivered.
long barrel.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Wait lang, huwag mo gagamitin yan.
Okay. Trying to use this spotter thing. Nice. Oy, kanyak ng peran. Akin the guns. Ay, the money. Oy, AK-11. Nice.
Ito, kunin mo to. Huwag yun. Teka yun.
Bruh. Nasa zone na. Oy, I'm dead, man. I'm dead. Bumabaril sa akin. May humabol sa akin. So, yeah. Saan?
Ito yun.
Bro, the zone.
Medic.
Anong medic? Anong medic?
Down to the last 5 teams.
I'm using spotter yun, nigga. We can. Ooh!
We made it, but smoke.
Ooh! Wait. Why did you go? What are you doing? Where did you go up? Where are you? Oh, there. I'm blind. I'm legally blind. You live? Are you alive? Dang, my aim good. My aim sucks.
Yun, good, mo ko, good. Good.
Getting close to victory. Buy station is currently unavailable.
Need kinetic or meron ka?
Medic.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Oh, I'm dead. Yo, don't die. Don't leave me. I'm weak. I'm your weak friend.
Cluster strike incoming.
Ah, damn.
Target locked.
Tush. I'm dead. I died to my cluster strike. I'm dumb.
Stealth chopper inbound.
Yo, you're gonna die to the zone. Oy, lutan mo ako. May kinetic ako doon. 3. I have like 3 kinetics. Hey, yo, 1v1. Hey, 1v1. Hey. Is bro gonna win? Oh. Everything is missing. Everything is missing, yeah. Oh, there. Bruh. I'm slightly better that time. Oh, oh, is bro only taking it? Why is bro only taking the shots? Why is he not fighting back? Oh, shotgun, shotgun. Oh, nice. Guy taking all the shots. Sing song hong sing. Dear sing like so. Kitchen in the dungeon in the song, there's so.
Too easy, man. Too easy.
What?
Too easy. Too easy.
Okay. Also, wait.
1v1.
So,
Bukas na. Nakadating ko lang. Wala akong tulog.
okay.
Bukas na ulit.
Okay.
Ayusin mo na yung settings mo. Ayusin mo yung mapa mo. Yung mapa mo, ayusin mo.
Yo, what? My map is... Yes, my map is mapping.
Lol. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bukas.
Yep.
Bukas.
Okay, bye-bye. Bruh. Map is mapping my ass. I do use this, and this is for that. So yeah. And his, I don't use it that much. I don't need to see my health, so I'm gonna hide that. This is for C4, so this is for weed pipe, so we can put it here. And this is for I don't know, so I'm gonna put it in the middle. And this is this. What's this? I don't know. I'll put it there. This is, yes, that one. I'll put it right here. This for that. Yeah, we're fine. This and this on what? This and that. This for writing. Yeah, I guess. And not done. We can put it here. Is for skateboarding. Yo, oh my god, nice. What the hell is even this? Yeah, this is my, if you guys wanna use it, you can. So yeah.